Hello friends, I wanted to do a quick, like super quick probably, little project share from what I've been making with the scraps. I don't know if you guys saw in one of my previous project shares. You know, I just have barely anything from some of these collections, and I thought like, oh, I've done everything I can do. I've got scraps. But then I remembered that people make these, by people I mean Heather from Carve by Grace Creations and Karolina from Karolina's Crafts. Here, let me zoom you in because, you know, like these adorable little keychain brag books. So I did end up making a few of these. So I think these are so fun and they turned out so cute. And I can link the tutorial that Karolina has below. It's pretty simple, but yeah, I'll link that below. The only difference for mine is that I do add this elastic closure because I personally don't want everything like flopping around. Like if I'm gonna have this as a keychain, I want it to just be like, you know, a unit. It's not flopping around. Anyway, so on the cover, I just have like a little fluffy bead and a candy corn charm, and then I decorated, actually I like cut up the cover page on these to get like little pieces of ephemera because I was pretty much done with all the stickers. And then I also used some Dollar Tree stickers that I had, and I just thought they were really cute with that little witch. She's super cute. And that's the back. So this is the one using the I Love Halloween scraps. So you just open that up, and then your first page has just a little pocket, a tiny little tag, tiny little ephemera, and then, yeah, these are pretty simple on the inside, just like scraps of pattern paper, and these are good for 2x2 photos. And a little pocket in the back. So that's that one, and then tiny little elastic closure just keeps that shut. And then these two we're using the scraps from the Ghosts and Goblins collection, as well as some Dollar Tree stickers as well. But yeah, again, I cut that little ghost off. And yeah, okay. This one has a little side pocket. And yeah, the pages are pretty simple. And then, you know, I just like made these tiny little ephemeras from the front cover pictures, cutting those up. So I thought that was cute. Yeah. Okay, so that's that one. And then this one has the little orange fluffer ball. So cute. Okay, tiny little stuff. It's just so cute. So cute. This one I did a side pocket. Like I was just, you know, randomly doing stuff with these, you know. And then this one was the first one I made actually, and I hadn't done this elastic closure, and then I decided I wanted to do it. So I had to go back and like kind of like paper piece after I added that eyelet and everything so that it looked, you know, fine. But I think that little cat is super cute, so I think it works. Yeah, anyway. How adorable are those? I loved these. This is going to be my new favorite like scrap project because it's just such a cute, fun little thing. I love many things, you guys already know. So absolutely love how those turned out. These will be available in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested, which I'll have linked down below. Yeah, that was everything I wanted to share. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.